It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 19th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Generally dry weather and temperatures to remain below average for the foreseeable future around here. I say generally dry weather because there is a small chance we could see a shower around here tonight or tomorrow morning. But other than that, things do look to be dry and cool for some time. Might want to cover up those plants, especially as we head into the weekend. And next week, temp's going to be pretty cold. Let's talk about it first. Look at the almanac from yesterday. 60 degrees the afternoon high. 45 was the morning low. Normal high 68. Normal low 46. And as we take a peek outside right now, just after 11 o'clock, we've got sunny sky. We are sitting at 50. We're sitting at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point 35. Humidity 54%. Wind light barometer falling. Now we can take a look at the upper air weather pattern around the nation. We've got a little short wave that's coming down toward the greater southwest, but it is moving over land. And what that's going to do is limit its moisture availability. Still, enough cold air and dynamics will be with it to produce a few showers across northern and eastern Arizona, perhaps a passing rain shower here tonight or tomorrow morning, or perhaps even a brief snow shower, maybe at the tops of the McDowell Mountains or across northeast Maricopa County. So we'll just have to see. Those snow levels could be kind of low. But other than that, dry north to northwesterly flow will be with us for a while, and that's going to be a cool flow of air for us. The watch warning map, we've got a wind advisory for northern Arizona in effect from late this evening through tomorrow afternoon. Windy conditions up along I-40. You're heading up toward Las Vegas. You're heading from Flagstaff westward toward the Grand Canyon or Vegas or whatever, up in the Northwest Plateau around Kingman. Yes, for sure. You will see some gusty winds, maybe over 40 to 50 miles per hour. And with the snow on the ground, could even see a little bit of blowing snow there. So be aware of that. Elsewhere, we've got some winter weather conditions over the Great Lakes, parts of the Northeast. Here's the convective outlook. And of all places, how about an enhanced risk of severe storms over parts of Ohio around Columbus? Could get kind of nasty there today. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix. Probably nothing, or if we see anything at all, just a couple 107 inch, most of the action just to the north of us. And even at that, not much in the way of precipitation as we are going to start to dry out. And this will look more like a traditional La Nina pattern, unfortunately, as we get into it here. Let's dive into the models, see what they have to say, though. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our short wave cutting down the west coast here through the Great Basin. And so what it means for us down at the surface today, sunny sky around for most of the day. Could be a few clouds at times, and high temperatures should be in the upper 50s. Tonight, we've got mostly clear sky in the evening, then clouds increasing will become mostly cloudy by morning, maybe an isolated shower late, and overnight lows in the upper 30s to mid 40s. Temperature forecast will be tricky tonight because the clouds will tend to hold up the temps, and with breezes coming in too. And that may be what precludes the snow levels from getting as low as they otherwise could be. Tomorrow, an isolated rain shower in the morning. Otherwise, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. High temperatures in the mid-50s. Saturday, we're going to start the day out in the 30s for just about everybody. And high temperatures back in the low to mid-50s. Now, if you've got frost-sensitive vegetation, might want to bring it in. If you're in the mid-city, you're probably okay. But everyone else, yeah, might want to cover up those plants just to be safe. Even though I don't expect a widespread freeze, we will see areas of frost. Sunday morning's going to be the same thing, and highs on Sunday, again, mid-50s at best. Monday, another shot of cool air is going to start to come on down here. Mostly sunny sky, though, and high temperatures, again, low to mid-50s. Overnight lows Sunday night, Monday morning, and especially Monday night and Tuesday morning might get down in the upper 20s in the cold spots, even in the mid-city, mid-30s. So, again, widespread frost will be likely here. So again, might want to cover up those plants. But we're going to see a warming trend as we go to about Wednesday, and high temperatures will get back into the upper 50s and low 60s. In fact, some of our guidance is even bringing us up into the mid-60s by about that time. Certainly as we go to a week from today, this is Thursday, the 26th of the month, and strong high pressure sits to the north of us and extends out into the North Pacific. But a northerly flow, it's a dry flow of air, so we'll have temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages in the afternoon, but overnight lows will be below normal with the dry air. We expect, again, a lot of widespread 30s to near 40 degrees for our overnight lows. Now, as we go out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 28th. We've Got a short wave off the Pacific Northwest coast that's heading south, another low to the south of us. And so we could see a return to more troughing out here across the west and a continuation of below average temperatures, maybe some unsettled weather way out here toward the end of the month, but that remains to be seen. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 2nd of February, coming off of the European ensemble. The mean is up around 1/4 of an inch. Control member is certainly higher than that. And temperatures off the national blend of models, keeping it below average for most of the period, although we will warm it up toward about the low to mid 60s as we get out there toward the end of next week. Overnight lows remain in the 30s for most of us, low 40s, especially at Sky Harbor. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, and of course you do, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is the one and only Asian sensation. She is my Michelle. You guys, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there and have yourselves an absolutely glorious Thursday.